Hello everyone. I would like to show you about how to learn Photoshop. Okay. So this is the platform on the Photoshop CC, and doesn't matter how your Photoshop version is, but normally start from version 3. It's so like that. I mean the tool on the left bar is so like this, and you can click here the arrow, you can click and it will show you to the previous, I mean old version style. But in the PSCC it means some tools are updated, but it doesn't matter however they update. Okay, and this is we call menu. Yeah. So now I show you some example. So in file, you can click file and click new. It's new, it means you open the new artwork or new layout, or we can call simple word is new paper. Okay. And with this one, new template. Alright, new template. But in version 3, it's similar, not far different. So the same this one, you can see the size, you can click the centimeter and the vertical and horizontal, and this one you can try the 18 and 13. It means 18 multiplied by 13, but remember for the resolution, please remember pixel or in inch, not pixel in centimeter. Don't forget, don't make this mistake. Alright, for the resolution 300 we put for the photo paper, and the color we put the RGB color, and the thing is okay, and color is 8-bit. Alright, this one the paper 18 multiplied by 13, and resolution remember is 300 for the photo paper. Resolution it means the color bin for the our photo. Alright, and this one the title, I can say the sample photo. Okay, this is the title of our artwork. Other is okay, and click create. Okay, this one we call the newspaper, new artwork, new layout, new project. And with that, I show you about the one tool. This one, you can right click on the tool, rectangular tool, rectangle tool, ellipse tool, and polygon tool and line tool. And this one the shape tool, the same. Even CS3 or CF5, the same, not far different in this one. Click around ellipse tool. Yes, ellipse tool. You can see the shape, the part pixel. Alright. So now this one the move tool. Okay, move tool. And in CS3 different for this one, the arrow. Yeah, arrow. Okay, the move tool. But however, when you right click this one, rectangle, okay, political, sorry, this one, okay, and you want to move, but sometimes you cannot automatic move. Okay, don't forget click the show the transform here. You can see easy, and you can click shift for adjust. But in CC, in PSCC you can click R, but in CSC you can click shift. Alright, shift. Okay, but in PSC you can click R. Yeah, different keyword, different function on the keyboard. Alright, click the show the transform control. And this one, click layer, don't click the group, okay? And this one, you click auto select. If you don't click auto select, it means you cannot move other tool if you want. You want to move here, right? Ellipse tool, but you cannot move because the select on the rectangle tool. You click, cannot, alright? So you click auto select tool and then click layer and show transform. So you, however you want, anywhere you want to click, alright? And I want to show you one more thing is the layer. Layer, it means you can move like this, okay? You can close, you can click layer right in here, F7, alright, like this. So one object, they will create layer automatic in Adapt Photoshop. We call layer. If you want to change the color, just click here. They're faster than other thing. Click here and then click the color overlay. Where the color overlay? Here. Okay, F8. Color overlay here. Any color you want to change, click color overlay, and you want to put the red color, just click red color. Alright. And you want to click here, just click again color overlay, and you want to put the blue color, okay, blue color. This one you want to put the yellow color, okay, you want to put yellow color or orange color, depend on you. Select, okay, and click OK. That's it. So now let's try together. You can try how to open the new layer, new layout, new project, and how to use the shape. This one, the shape tool, and how to understand about how to change the color on the layer. Alright, you want to change more, you just click another color. Okay. And after that, you can change, save your project, save as your project. When you save as, you can select in your computer, but it's PC different. So PS so different a bit. But in your CS or CS3, CS4, CS5, it will automatic on your computer. It doesn't matter like this, okay? And then you can change, save the project, save the photo, or save your project. Project is we call Photoshop, okay? Click project, and then next time you can open it and edit your project. We call artwork or project, okay? Just click save and then click OK. That's it. Thank you for watching. This is the first lesson. You need to understand some and try to understand how to use the shape, how to use the move tool, how to change the color, how to save project, and how to close project. Just click close. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.